All right, guys, we're out here. It's approximately 4:58. There's the Vegas moon. It looks closer here, man. It looks crazy, especially with that mountain backdrop. There's Paris all lit up. It looks good. There's the wheel at the link. Right, of course, the Bellagio fountain. We've got the Resorts World back there with Encore, and Trump Tower is back there. All right. So moving, so we can see there's the Bellagio, and actually with this room with the double balcony, you can actually see the Rio. So we can see all sides. We can see the off-strip Rio from this vantage point, which is amazing. Like I said, this is a double balcony. This is not a regular terrace suite. So that's the other Cosmo building, and Planet Hollywood behind that. So we're right here. You see that's Ellis Island. If you see the little red letters back there. But it's a nice evening. Like I said, we're at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's dark here. Unlike East Coast. But the West Coast is interesting. We have Bally's there. We have the Flamingo, Harris. The Venetian is right there. So again, Resort World. We'll be there tomorrow at Resort World. So we spent 3 nights here at the Cosmo. 1 night in a strip view, terrace view room. And the second 2 nights we upgraded and got the double balcony suite with the premium view. And the planes are taking off, guys, every 5 minutes. I mean, they're going in and out of here. So they're here. But I would advise, if you can get the premium view, do it. I'm telling you. I mean, it costs a little more, but it's well worth it. I mean, some people try to do the $20 trick. I mean, depending on the time of year, I mean, that might work. I mean, I asked for upgrade, complimentary, and I went from, because I had a terrace view room, and they updated me to a 2-bedroom, but it was still strip view. So to get the premium view, yes, I had to pay an upgrade fee. And that, I mean, I can tell you, at first it was $60, and then, but this room was $115, but like I said, it's a double balcony suite for the upgrade. But I'll tell you guys what you need to do is use Hotwire. That's where I started at. So my room rate is not like what the room rate was on the Cosmopolitan website. If you use Hotwire, you type in, I mean, use your filters, South Strip, and then you can tell by room type. You don't have to match the image. Room type. There's no other property in Las Vegas Strip, here's the show started, that has terrace rooms. So you know that is the Cosmo. And I booked that for $88 a night. So any add-on or upgrade, but still, I mean, I'm under $200 for a room that's $450 a night. So here's the Bellagio show. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, and I'm gonna keep quiet for a second. the show for this half hour. Show's running every half hour, I believe. So, but here's the thing. If you want to see the show, of course, there's the other Cosmo building, but there's other opportunities. When I first started booking this trip, I looked at the Paris. Okay, there are rooms where you can see the Bellagio show. But here's the thing. Look at this perspective we have at the Cosmo. The same goes for Bali. I looked at Bali. So you would look at the fountain show from a window that's tilted that way and possibly see the fountain show. The same with Paris. As you can tell, I'm on a balcony, guys. I'm on a balcony, and Cosmo is the only strip property with a balcony. We have a couch. We watched that on the couch and watched the fountain show earlier. And another chair and a little table to hold your drink, to hold your ashtray. There's the tool. I mean, Flamingo, if you get the right room, you can possibly see the show. Caesar's Palace, the same thing. But, like I said, you won't be outside. You won't be able to do 360, well, 180 degree look at what's out here on strip and off strip. I mean, the view is amazing. You can even see what's going on at the Bellagio. They're actually redecorating the lobby show for Christmas right now. So we're in November. So that's actually under construction. I just want to give you guys a look. This is the strip. Approximately 5:15 p.m. in November. Like I said, guys, the view is fantastic. I encourage you to get it. Okay, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. This may be the best view in Vegas. Double terrace suite in the Cosmopolitan.